In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Football Manager 2024 on your PC. If you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this great game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask to subscribe and like the video. And after that we will go to our Google browser. Search for Steam because we have to locate the Steam game before we can download it. So go to Steam, and once you are there, search for the game Football Manager 2024. As you can see, this game is very expensive on Steam. It is costing €59.99. But I got a workaround, so follow these steps and you will be playing this game for just a little fraction of this price. What we will do now, click on the link in the description and you will be redirected to this website. Once you are there, search for the game Football Manager. Now, as you can see, we have an option on the left to select games only, then sort by lowest price first. And now, as you can see, we have a global key account for Epic Games. So what you need to do is go to Google again. Then, once you are there, search for Epic Games. Go to the website. And what you need to do now is download their application. So after you have done that, then you will go back to this website, purchase this game for just €7.93 instead of €59.99. So that will save you a lot of money. And once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow to download this game for a very cheap price on Epic Games. So hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial to save you some more money on games. Cheers guys!